Hi everyone, my name's Zoe and I am a soprano and vocal animateur working for Welsh National Opera. I have got a quick breathing exercise to share with you all today. Now, you might be thinking, why do I need to practice my breathing? I breathe all of the time and I'm already pretty good at it. And of course, you're right about that. But breathing is such an important part of singing that it's always worth checking that we're doing it as well and efficiently as possible. If we breathe correctly, then we're already a long way on our journey to singing as beautifully as we can. So let's get started. What I'd like you to do is to stand on both of your feet and just make sure that you're spreading your weight evenly across those 2 feet, because that gives your voice a lovely, stable grounding. Now, I'd like you to show me a really good singing breath. If I asked you to sing a song or an aria, how would you take in the first breath just as you're about to sing? Show me that, and breathe in, and blow the air out, and relax. Well done. Now, be very honest. Did some of you, when you took in your breath, do this? It is very tempting, and lots of people do it when they start thinking about how to breathe when they're singing. But obviously, if we fill up our lungs with so much air and we fill them quite high that our shoulders start to lift up, then our necks and throats get a little bit tense, and that is not great for our voices. So make sure your shoulders are nice and relaxed. And we're going to use our hands. Put your hands on either side of your waist. And what I'd like you to do is to take in a breath using your hands as a guide. So breathe in to where your fingers are. Are you ready? Breathe in for me. And blow the air out. Really well done. Now, if we're doing that correctly, you should notice 2 things. The first thing is that the in-breath should be totally silent because your throat is nice and relaxed. And also, you should be feeling some activity around underneath where your hands are. So let's try that one more time and see if you can check on those 2 things. Breathe in for me. And blow the air out. Lovely. Now for the tricky bit. Put your hands down by your sides and try to recreate that same feeling of a low, relaxed breath for me, but without your hands to guide you. Are you ready? Breathe in for me. And blow the air out. Well done, everyone. So that is how we'd like you to breathe when you are singing. And you can check back in with that exercise and just see if you notice your shoulders creeping up at all as you are singing. If you would like to learn a bit more about singing, or you'd like to try a physical warm-up or a rhythm exercise, have a look at some of our other videos. Well done, everyone.